Updating your billing information on TD Ameritrade is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Client Services or My Account section. This area contains all the options related to your account management. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Billing Information or Payment Methods. Click on this option to proceed to the Billing Details section. Step 4. Update your information. Here, you can edit your existing billing information. Enter the new payment method details such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, look for a Save or Submit button. Click it to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your billing information has been successfully updated. Make sure to review your billing details periodically to keep your account information accurate and up to date.